In front of me is REALME P3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and hitting allow in all available pop-ups. Then click on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To add a photo mark, click on the right one, take a pic, and to discard it, use this X. To save it, tap on the check mark. To delete your recording right away, hit cancel at the top left corner and pick one of those options. If you want to end it and save it though, hit save at the top right one. Then name it and hit save here. Now to play it, click on it on the list. To manage it, use all of those options, and to manage it even more, hold it and use all of those as well. Like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!